Welcome to another episode of Marcel Hyde Mindset. And are you taking time to look at your life to see where you can improve and take inventory, okay? Just how, if you work at a factory or you work at a job that has, let's say, supplies in there, and if you're running low on something, what do? You replenish it. You put in an order for something new. So in your life, you have to always be taking inventory of yourself, of your life, of your finances, of your health, of your everything in your life. You have to take inventory. And if something's missing, you have to make adjustments to change it, okay, to improve it. And, I always emphasize the fact that you'll never be perfect. But your goal should always be to become the best version of yourself, okay? You need to continue to look into that mirror, all right? Look at that mirror and be real with yourself. It's gonna hurt sometimes because you're gonna look in the mirror and you may look in the mirror and be like, you know what? I'm 50 pounds overweight. And there's two things you could do in this situation. You could say, I'm 50 pounds overweight. Oh, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Or you could say I'm 50 pounds overweight and I'm gonna start changing something in my life. I'm gonna start eating better. I'm gonna start drinking more water. I'm gonna cut out the sugary foods I've been eating or the late night snacking I've been doing or the excessive amount of bread that I've been intaking, whatever it is, or chips or chocolate, whatever it is for yourself. You need to make those adjustments in your life, and not for health purposes, but making those adjustments as well will improve you as an overall human being, all right? And that will help you in your development as a person, okay? So you always want to be striving to develop as a perfect person. You'll never be perfect. Remember that. You'll never be perfect. Say that out loud. I will never be perfect, but I will become the best version of myself, and whatever that is, you will find out if you're, evolving daily, if you're improving, if you're, seeking mentors, if you're doing coaching, if you're reading books. Eventually, all of that is gonna, come out and you'll be at a higher level, whether that's communication, whether that helps you in your job, whether that helps you in your finances, whether that helps you in your health. So there's always positive and benefits to improving yourself. And I always say on every video, you're gonna hear me, not every video, but a lot of videos, I always say, it's a process, right? Like you can't expect overnight success, and there is no magic pill. All right, so the topic that I'm going to be focusing on is to remind you guys that there is no magic pill. All right, in a generation where there's instant gratification, with TikTok, Instagram, it's in our face all the time, and we see these videos, and we see someone who's driving a luxurious or an expensive car, and we think that took them 1 week to get. Maybe it took 1 week to get delivered to them, but that took years and years and years of dedication, commitment, failure, trial, error, maybe sleepless nights, maybe long days, maybe working 2-3 jobs, maybe sacrificing time with family, or deciding to opt out of a relationship. So it comes with so much sacrifice, and there's no pill that you could take to get the success you want. There's no pill to just automatically change your life and change your income, or there's no pill that could just change your health and how you look. It's the work, it's the eating healthy, it's the commitment to going to the gym, it's all the other factors involved as well too. So there's no magic pill, and I want you to get out of that thinking that things are going to happen quick, because if you believe in your mind that things are going to happen quickly, not to say you don't want to move as quick as you can, but if you think things are going to happen so quick and they don't happen, chances are you're just going to give up. If you're expecting after 1 month your body to completely change, then you're going to be let down, because your body's not going to change drastically unless you don't eat for 30 days. Then in that situation, you might get sick. You probably will get sick. And, you'll definitely lose the weight, but that's not a healthy way to lose weight. The healthy way is going to take you a longer period of time. So you have to remember that it is a process. It takes a lot of time. And if you could stay patient during that process, stay patient. Actually enjoy that process. There's so many times that I've gone through different processes, whether it be with my finances, my fitness, whatever it is. And I knew it was a process. And along the way, I really just found joy in that process. And then when I achieved that goal, I felt good in the moment. It was like, wow, I really achieved this goal. But in my mind, I'm like, what's next? Because goals, once you achieve your goal, there's always another goal to set. There's always another goal to achieve. It doesn't just end. A lot of times people think, okay, I hit this goal, it's done. No, it's like you set a new goal. Okay, you hit this weight. Okay, what's a new goal? You paid off this credit card debt. Okay, what's a new goal? Now I want to save for this. Now I want to save for a home. Now I want to save to invest. Now I want to save money to take trips. So there's always a new goal you're setting. And that is what makes life exciting and fun and not dull. It's like you have a purpose. You're going after something. And a lot of times, all you need to do is that little thing. It's like, set some goals for yourself. It'll give you more purpose and meaning in life. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't find the meaning in life, or I'm lost. It's just like, what are your goals? I always ask people, what are some goals you have? And it could be, it's personal to you. It doesn't matter what those goals are. At least there's something. Set some goals. It'll give you more meaning and purpose in this life. You wake up with purpose when you have goals. When you know you have a goal, it's just like you're working towards something on a daily basis. And setting goals for me, it keeps me so disciplined. It keeps me so focused. It keeps me dedicated. It keeps my mind sharp. When I have a goal and I set a goal, I'm like, okay, I really want to achieve this goal, right? And it's going to take a lot of sacrifice. It's going to take, a lot of commitment to achieve this goal. And as a result, I become better from, setting this goal and going after it. And sometimes you don't actually reach the goals that you set. A lot of people don't actually reach them, but guess what? You do become better. You change as a person for even going after those goals. All right, I have a goal to become a YouTuber. I have a goal to have this channel explode and be the number 1 self-help, inspiration, and motivation channel. And that's my goal, and that's what I believe in my mind. But for whatever reason, that never happened, or for whatever reason, it didn't happen. At the end of the day, it's not the end of the world for me. At the end of the day, I benefited from this process. I benefited because it helped me with my communication skills. It helped me become focused. It helped me become dedicated. It helped me become committed. It helped me learn a new skill. So I see the benefits of, creating content. I see the benefits of going after the goal of trying to become a YouTuber, trying to become an inspirational, motivational, self-help YouTuber. I see so many benefits because I become better. I've become better along the process, and I've noticed it, and other people have noticed it. So, there's no magic pill. There's no magic pill that I could take to make myself more known out there. I just have to keep evolving myself, keep growing, keep getting better, keep seeking out coaches, keep seeking out people who can give me some advice. And that's the best advice I can give you, because a lot of times the advice is out there. People have been through what you're going through. People have information that can elevate you, information that can help you get to that next level. But remember, there's no magic pill that you could take to just get you to the top. All right, because at the end of the day, if you did take that magic pill and you swallow it, and then all of a sudden you get to the top, you'd be so lost. And when you get there, you wouldn't know how to deal with it. You wouldn't know how to sustain it or maintain it because you didn't put any type of work in to get that. But when you put the work in, the years of grinding, dedication, commitment, when you get to the top, not to say that you can't lose it, but you have a higher chance of keeping it because of that process that you had gone through. Everything you went through made you who you are. So you can't skip steps. There's no magic pill. Stop looking for it. Just commit yourself, stay dedicated, and put the work in consistently. The key word here is consistently. And eventually, you may not hit your goal, but you will become better. You may hit your goal, and there's so many different benefits that you will get, all right? So remember that Mindset is everything. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Marcel Hyde Mindset.